The interior light fuse for a 2001 Dodge Dakota will be in the fuse box on the side of the dash. You'll remove this cover by pulling out on it. There'll be two clips holding that cover on. Inside of the fuse box will be this first fuse here. You'll release it by squeezing these two tabs here and pulling out. Once you have it pulled out, you can take a screwdriver to pop this clip right here open. Once it's open, you can remove the fuse. To reinstall it, you'll clip this clip first and then push in. There will also be another fuse under the hood on the driver's side. Remove this cover by squeezing these clips here and lift them up. Be this one right here, the 7th one down.